Okay, so Ken's Cardico A02. So ito po yung latest na version natin ng portable ECG machine. So yan po yung mga leads niya. So you can adjust the brightness of the your monitor. Wala ka na makita. Okay, so this one. May adjustment. Okay. So checking kung okay na, kumpleto ba ang leads natin, walang nawawala, kumpleto mga leads natin, and also the chest leads natin. Kumpleto. So 6 dapat yan kasi V1 to V6. Okay? So marami din sila. Okay, check also the materials to be used. So ECG cream or meron din tayong tinatawag na electrogel, yung blue naman yun. If your patient is hairy, may mga chest hair siya, pwede nang supplyin. Pag you shouldn't do that. You should ask first the patient kung pwede niyang i-clip. Pwede natin i-clip.
Mamaya.
Kasi siyempre yung other patients don't want to clip their hairs. Kasi pag ayaw nila, use the electrogel or the ECG cream. Kasi nalagyan mo lang siya dito and then didikit na yung mga leads mo. Okay? Electrogel or the ECG cream. Okay? So sir,